What's up, everybody? If you know me or followed me for any period of time, you know that I have been lifting weights, hoisting kettlebells, bending steel, all this strongman stuff for years and years. And you also know that a few months ago, I rolled a truck off the road, ended up sideways in a creek, and strength took on a new, deeper meaning for me that whole time. It got very, very real because I was conscious the entire time I was rolling that truck, every microsecond. And all I could think was, I have to get home to my boy. Now, the paramedics told me that my training, if it didn't save my life that night, it at least prevented me from having any serious injuries. That hit me really hard because while training for aesthetics is cool, it doesn't matter much if you're not strong enough to make it home. I've always trained for real life, and I'm training for the people who are waiting for me to come home. And that's why I coach the way that I do. So if you're a dad or anyone who wants to get the kind of strength that really matters, DM me the word strong, and let's talk about how to build that kind of strength together.